Want to speak real Spanish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at SpanishPod101.com.
Hi everyone, this is Rosa, and today we'll be talking about 5 major cities in Spain. Let's go! Madrid, 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 Madrid. Siempre he querido ir al Parque del Retiro de Madrid. Siempre he querido ir al Parque del Retiro de Madrid. I've always wanted to go to the Buen Retiro Park in Madrid. Yeah, I really like it. It's super big and green. In the park, there's like a kind of building called the Glass Castle, El Palacio de Cristal. And sometimes they have exhibitions in there. Yeah, it's very nice. Barcelona, 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 Barcelona. Barcelona está llena de edificios de Gaudí. Barcelona está llena de edificios de Gaudí. Barcelona is full of Gaudí's buildings. Yeah, it's so good. I've always said that if I want to live like in a city in Spain, it could be Barcelona. I love it. And of course, you have to go to the World Park if you visit Barcelona, which is one of like Gaudí's creations. In the park, like you can see Barcelona from above, like you have very good sightings of the city. It's very pretty. Valencia, 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 Valencia. Tienes que probar la paella valenciana si vas a Valencia. Tienes que probar la paella valenciana si vas a Valencia. You have to try the Valencian paella if you go to Valencia. So, to be honest, I haven't tried the real Valencian paella, I think. But I should, yeah. But I love paella. Sevilla, Sevilla, Seville, Sevilla, Seville. Lo que más me gusta de Sevilla es su gente. Lo que más me gusta de Sevilla es su gente. What I like most about Seville is its people. They are very funny. I don't know, like sometimes maybe even like too funny. I don't know, but no, they are nice people. All people from the south are nice people. Murcia, 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 Murcia. Haré una ruta de tapas por Murcia. Haré una ruta de tapas por Murcia. I will do a tapas route in Murcia. So, yeah, I recently went to Murcia and yeah, the food there is very good. So, recommend it. And this is the end of today's video. Today we've learned about 5 major cities in Spain. Which city is your favorite in Spain? Is it Granada? I know it is. Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and also check out SpanishPod101.com. See you later. Hasta pronto. ¡Ya está!